You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Bishop,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my girlfriend, Linda, she hasn't been supporting the child like I feel like she should be doing.
What do you mean she hasn't been supporting the child? You
Well,
talking about emotional support? You talking about financial support? What type of support are you talking about?
Financial support, actually being there, visiting. It's very rare that she comes around.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking me to do about that?
Well, I would like to have some kind of financial support from her end, and if we could set up some sort of visitation.
Court is now in session. A father stands before the bench, determined but frustrated. He tells the judge, the mother of his 2-year-old son barely visits and provides no financial help. He isn't emotional, he's direct. He wants structured child support and formal visitation. Across the courtroom, the mother waits to respond. The tension is immediate. But before we go deeper into this shocking dispute, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who follows real courtroom drama. Now stay with me, because what this mother says next will leave the entire courtroom stunned.
That she actually is in the child's life.
Okay, how old is the child?
2 years old.
2 years old.
2 years old.
You don't visit with the baby?
No, I mean,
No?
I have a night job, and so I sleep during the day, so it's really hard to get up and see the child.
So because you have a night job, you cannot spend time with your baby? That's what you're saying today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're okay with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you not want to be a mom?
No, Your Honor. I did not want the child. Philip convinced me to have him. I thought it would be okay, but it ended up being a boy, not a girl.
So let me get this straight. You do not want the child.
The judge begins asking direct questions. How old is the child? 2 years old. Does the mother visit? Rarely. Then she explains her situation. She works nights and sleeps during the day, claiming it's difficult to spend time with her son. The judge presses further. Are you saying you don't want to be a mom? The answer is calm but cold. She didn't want the child. She says the father convinced her. She expected a girl, but the baby was born a boy. The courtroom energy instantly shifts. The judge looks stunned. That reasoning is about to be challenged.
Because it's a boy and not a girl?
Correct.
That is like the most ridiculous thing anybody has ever said in my courtroom. Because of the gender? So do you not think you need to be paying child support to him?
No, he makes more money than I do.
But he has the full responsibility of parenting the child. You're not doing anything. You don't even want the baby.
Yeah, if he wanted the baby, he should take care of it then.
You made that up. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward because, okay, how much money do you make?
$4,000 a month.
4,000. 4,000. What do you do for a living?
I'm an entertainer.
What does that mean?
I'm an exotic dancer.
Oh, okay.
The judge wastes no time calling the explanation ridiculous. Refusing involvement because the child is a boy is unacceptable. The father may earn more money, but he already handles full parenting duties. The mother argues that since he wanted the child, he should carry all responsibility. She believes she shouldn't have to pay support. The judge makes it clear. Child support is about the child's needs, not adult preferences. Personal disappointment does not cancel parental duty. The courtroom grows quiet as financial questions begin. Income will now determine accountability.
So $4,000. Wait a minute. So you mean to tell me that exotic dancers cannot be in their children's lives? Oh no, you said you don't want to be in the child's life.
Yes.
You just want him to pay you child support and you want him to assume the full responsibility of taking care of the child too because he wanted the child.
Well, I didn't want child support from him. He can just have...
But you don't want him to pay. I mean, you don't want to pay him.
Correct.
No, that's not how this works. He is not going to be the one that takes care of the child 100% of the time, and then you just get to go dance or whatever it is that you do. I'm not exactly sure what you do at your overnight job. That's just not how it works. So let me tell you what we're going to do. You're going to start paying him child support a month.
The mother reveals she earns $4,000 a month as an exotic dancer. The judge immediately clarifies, her profession is irrelevant. What matters is responsibility. She insists she shouldn't pay because the father has custody and wanted the baby. The judge firmly shuts that down. Parenthood isn't optional. You don't get to walk away financially because you feel disconnected. The child's needs come first. The judge begins calculating net income and health insurance expenses. The numbers are clear. Avoidance will not win today.
Now, in terms of visitation, if she doesn't want to visit with the child, there's nothing I can do to make her do that. However, she will start paying some sort of child support today, okay?
Okay.
And you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you have a problem with that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, just making sure. So, at $4,000 a month, I have your net calculated at $3,266.81, which brings your child support amount to, you only have one child?
Correct.
Okay, $653.36, and you cover health insurance?
Yes.
How much is it?
$344 a month.
300, and that's for the child only. That doesn't include you, right?
Correct.
Okay. So that amount is going to be added to that. So $653.36 plus the $344 that he.
The ruling is firm. Based on her net income, she must pay $653.36 monthly. Add the child's health, insurance, $344, and the total reaches $997.36 each month. The judge reminds her this amount can increase as the child grows and expenses rise. Education, activities, life changes. If her income increases, payments increase. Visitation cannot be forced, but financial responsibility will be enforced. The message is unmistakable. Parenthood is permanent.
Health insurance will be $997.36 a month.
Okay.
Okay? All right? That should be enough for you to cover anything that you need to get for the child. And just so you know, this child is going to grow up, obviously. He's 2 years old now. He can come back later as, you know, his life changes. He starts going to school. He might want to put him in private school or, you know, anything like that. Any type of extracurricular activities. He comes back in here. You've made more money. You already know what's going to happen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going to happen?
I will have to pay more.
Oh, okay. Long as you understand that. All right. Is there anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Okay.
The gavel falls. The father leaves with court-ordered support secured. The mother leaves with an obligation she tried to avoid. This case sends a powerful reminder. Parental duty does not depend on gender expectations. It depends on law. If you found this breakdown powerful, subscribe and like for more real courtroom stories. Share your thoughts in the comments. Was the judge right? For brand sponsorship or business inquiries, contact arhabshahid8@gmail.com. More intense cases are coming soon. Until next time, stay aware, because every decision has consequences in court.